Aha, oh, butterfly, butterfly.
Hello viewers, how are you all? You might have heard from many stress relieving gurus to run behind a butterfly at least one day in your life to relax yourself, right? Yes, it's very true viewers. If you run behind a butterfly, the kid inside you will definitely pop up and you would feel like a child and enjoy those moments for sure. Is it not? Yes, we decided to become a kid and run behind butterflies for some time. We are at the butterfly park next to the Bannerghatta Zoo in Bangalore. Once we enter into this park, very beautiful, lovely, pink shaded flowered trees welcome us. Wow, such a lovely treat to our eyes, right? Let me tell you quickly about the entrance fee and the visitors' time for this beautiful butterfly park. The entrance fee for this park is Rs 50 for an adult and Rs 30 for kids and senior citizens. The best time to visit this park is between 9 am and 11 am. The visitor timings are 9:30 to 5 pm on all days except Tuesdays. To my surprise, they have a very good, neatly kept baby care unit also. The young mothers can very well use them. This butterfly park at Bannerghatta near Bangalore has the many nice segments for us to have a relaxed stroll and visit viewers. On the entrance, they have a very big, huge butterfly-like structure. Looks very pretty along with the natural surroundings. One would enjoy to stay here, take pictures and relax too before entering into the park. You can take pictures like this too. Let's see a quick run through of what are all the segments which we are going to see here. First one is a beautiful butterfly garden to sustain and grow local butterfly population. The second one is a butterfly conservatory dome enclosed under polycarbonate roof. Third one is a well-established research and captive breeding laboratory and a museum. And the final one is a multimedia center to sit and watch the various documentaries about the butterflies. The entire park has been established over area of 7.5 acres, which has a butterfly trail of about 1 kilometer in length. The butterfly trail, what we see here, is established over a 5-acre garden, leading the visitors to an innovatively designed 3-dome structure. This park exclusively is for butterflies, which was completed during 2007 and open for the public. It's the unique project in the entire India and is serving as a role model in the nation and first of its kind in India, viewers, to grow and conserve butterflies. Butterflies have a special place in the insect world. You all know, right? Do you know butterflies, how it is being called? Can you make a guess? Yes, it's all called as flying jewels, which indicates that butterflies are considered as beautiful, elusive and fascinating insects. We can have a tour of numerous varieties of butterflies collected and well preserved here, and we can actually remind us of our plus 2 biology projects when we see the projects whichever been shown here, if you were a science student. Yes. This museum is a perfect place to instill knowledge about these flying angels to your kiddie angels at home. They will also be interested to learn since so many species of the butterflies have been collected and exhibited here, as you see here. Viewers, it's quite visible that this park has been conceptualized as one integrated center that would support education, conservation and research activities with exclusive focus on butterflies. Once you enter into the park, you will see a very big transparent polycarbonate roof, which you see here. This has been designed specifically and specially as the butterfly conservatory with a beautiful landscape garden. You see here? The huge dome-shaped structure with this landscape garden would provide all possible habitat requirements for these butterflies, including host plants and house butterflies throughout the year. It's excellent to watch them grow and cherish here indeed. Next to this conservatory, it leads us into a museum that will provide information of numerous butterflies with their host plants. On the way to the museum, we saw a tortoise. It was doing meditation. It did not even move. It was so still. It was so nice to watch. Do you see that, friends? In the museum, I captured very important pieces of the information. We'll see one by one. Different stages of pupa and larva. Life cycle of tailed jay butterfly. Life cycle of common gull butterfly. Different stages of butterfly growth. Scaly winged butterflies. Evolution of a butterfly. Butterfly classification. Different types of butterfly collections. Owl-shaped Indian moon moth. One will really get awed by seeing all these different types. How many types of butterflies which we have in this world. Very beautiful. Excellent. Very nicely preserved and well kept, and detailed information has been given here. Know that butterflies smell with their antennas and taste with their feet. Wow. Detailed butterfly anatomy. Biology students will definitely love this. Wow. Camouflaging butterfly. How it camouflages. One will not know whether it is front or its back. Once we complete the tour of the museum, we are welcomed at the audio-visual dome. Here we are projected with various documentary movies on butterflies. If you have patience, you can sit and watch them all. It is stated that 48 species of butterflies are available in various seasons at Bengaluru Bannerghatta Biological Park here. These species were breeding in different seasons under captive conditions and released into the conservatory dome at appropriate stages. Hope you all enjoyed by seeing a detailed trip to the butterfly park. I am sure the kid in you should have definitely popped up to even think about the butterflies, right? Do not forget to visit this park, viewers, along with your kids when you plan to visit Bangalore. If you like this video, please like it, share it with your friends and family. Do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button too to regularly receive the notifications from my channel. Thank you so much, viewers.